In this video, I will be showing you how to delete and remove a specific model from Ollama. So let's get started. First thing, make sure that Ollama is open like this. I will just go to settings, and this is the path where my Ollama models are present. So this is that particular path, and inside manifest, as you can see, I'm having two models over here, and if I go to the blobs, these are the two models here. So now I will show how to delete any of these models. Okay, so for that, just open command prompt and you just need to run the command Ollama list. This will list the models already downloaded in Ollama. Now to remove one of these, first we need to stop it. So it's going to be Ollama stop, and you need to specify the model name. In my case, I will just go with this llama and put it here. It's done. And next, to remove it, Ollama rm, next the model name. That's it, it has been deleted. Now if I again do Ollama list, as you can see, I'm only having one model over here. And if I go to the models directory, here you can see, right, I'm only having the 5.4 GB model, which is the Gemma 2 latest, and llama is not over here. And if I go to the manifest also, I'm having only Gemma here. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.